Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Embodied AI and Robotics, giving AI a body and a purpose. Most AI we hear about, like language models or image generators, lives purely as software on computers, a brain without a body. But what if AI could walk, pick things up, or interact with our physical world? That's embodied AI. It's about giving an AI a physical presence, like a robot, so it can perceive and act in reality. For developers, this means moving beyond just writing algorithms to understanding how code directly controls physical machines and experiences the world. Imagine an AI that can brilliantly analyze mountains of data but can't open a door or recognize a spilled drink in front of it. Current brain-only AI lacks physical common sense. Giving AI a body, a robot, allows it to experience the world through sensors, like cameras for eyes or touch sensors for feel. Perform actions, like grasping or moving with hands and legs, and truly understand concepts like heavy or hot by directly interacting with them. As a developer, you're literally giving your code eyes, ears, and hands to operate in our world. So, what does an AI's body look like? It's typically a robot. Think of a robot as the physical vessel for the AI's intelligence. Robots have two main types of components. Sensors are like our senses, cameras to see, microphones to hear, and touch or force sensors to feel pressure. They gather information from the environment. Actuators are like our muscles, motors that move arms, legs, wheels, or grippers. Your code, the AI's brain, takes data from sensors, processes it to make decisions, and then sends commands to the actuators to make the robot move or perform a task. How does an embodied AI learn to walk without falling, or pick up a specific toy? One powerful method is called reinforcement learning. Imagine teaching a pet a trick. You give it a treat, a reward, when it does something correctly. Similarly, an embodied AI tries different actions in its environment. If an action leads it closer to its goal, like successfully grasping an object, your code gives it a reward signal. If it fails, a penalty or no reward. Through countless trials and errors, the AI's brain learns which actions lead to the best rewards, slowly figuring out the optimal way to achieve its purpose. As a developer, you design these reward systems and the AI's learning environment. As a developer in embodied AI, you're doing much more than just writing algorithms. You're the crucial link between the AI's digital brain and its physical body. This means working with specialized software frameworks, like Robot Operating System or ROS, to control robots, processing raw data from sensors, like interpreting camera images or depth maps, translating AI decisions into motor commands, and debugging how your code interacts with the physical world. You're literally taking your abstract logic and making it manifest in tangible movements and responses, facing challenges unique to real-world physics. The real world is messy and unpredictable. Unlike a perfect computer simulation, things can change unexpectedly. Lighting shifts, objects might be slightly different shapes, or a surface could be slippery. Embodied AI faces significant challenges. Ensuring safety. A robot must not harm people or itself. Robustness. It needs to work reliably in varying conditions. And energy management. Robots need power. For developers, this means writing highly resilient, error-tolerant code, implementing sophisticated fault detection, and rigorously testing your AI in diverse, real-world physical environments to account for unexpected variables. Embodied AI isn't just a futuristic concept. It's already making a difference. Think of self-driving cars that constantly sense their surroundings and act by steering and braking. Consider advanced factory robots performing precise, repetitive tasks, or delivery drones navigating complex urban landscapes. Even assistive robots for the elderly or hazardous environment explorers use embodied AI principles. As a developer, you have the opportunity to build solutions that automate dangerous jobs, provide companionship, enable new forms of exploration, and improve countless aspects of daily life, directly impacting the physical world. We are just at the beginning of the embodied AI journey. Imagine AIs that can perform intricate surgeries, construct buildings autonomously, or explore distant planets with greater independence. The future holds AIs that can continuously learn from their physical interactions, adapt to novel situations, and seamlessly collaborate with humans on complex physical tasks. For you, the aspiring developer, this field offers immense opportunities to innovate, solve pressing real-world problems, and shape a future where intelligent machines become integral, helpful parts of our physical existence. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.